Hong Kong dollar 50 cents year 1978. So sa iyang overs, no, iyang tubangan, this is Queen Elizabeth II, the second portrait, no, kanya siya picture. So sa likod, ang reverse, go back to reverse, no, Chinese value within beaded circle. Date lower right, kani lower right, niya 1978. So this one, the translation of this one is a Chinese character, no? This Hong Kong, 50 cent, 1978. Ano. So we talk about sa iyang kaninga coins, no? Is a standard circulation coins pa niya. So year release from 1977 to 1980. It's a 50 cents, no, Hong Kong dollar. Kung imo na siya i-kuhan sa piso is 3.56 pesos, no. So mara niya iyang kuhan sa kuhan kung imo i-change into peso. When we talk about sa iyang composition, this one is a nickel brass, 79% copper, 20% zinc, and 1% nickel. So iyang kabugaton is 4.9 grams, no. Yang diameter, yang katasonan ni is 22.5. Thickness 1.7. Then iyang age niya kay rated. Rated siya. So when we talk about sa iyang mintage ani, so let's say sa namista.com, ang 1978 mintage niya kay 70 million only. 70. So dili ka siya taas, no. Kay compare nimo siya sa 1980 is 120 million. But kung i-compare nimo siya sa 1977 to 1979, mas higher siya kay sa 1977 is 60 million. Then ang 1979 is 60 million. Kapin gyapon, 6.6 million. So when we talk about sa iyang price ani, no? So kung i-convert nimo siya into piso kay 3.56 naman siya. But sa nag-business siya sa iyang condition, no? If it is good, 7, iyang presyo, very good is 8.3, fine is 9.60, very fine, 16, extra fine is 18, and about uncirculated is 59, then uncirculated coins na 210. But based on these coins kani siya is most likely nag-range siya gid siya og 7 pesos ani siya. 7 pesos ani siya. Yes, a good, yung condition ani is good. Kay naman siya na slightly damaged siya diri na side. So I hope you learn something about this Hong Kong coins, no. It's a beautiful one, beautiful coins, no. Hong Kong. Thank you.